kids, it's Mrs. Jordan's, and I am back from Monday Math. So we are going to learn our new number for the week. So this is the number 8. Now it's basically a circle on top of another circle that's a little bit bigger. So this is 8. So say the number 8. Now, for tally marks, remember this group is always 5. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 long lines and a slash through, and that makes 5. So then we just keep adding what we need. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's our number word 8. It is E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now, we can get a little mini lesson on money. These are coins. Now this one is a nickel. That is worth 5 cents. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are pennies. They're a different color than all other coins. These are made from copper. And they're only 1 cent. So 1, 2, 3 cents. So 5 plus another 3 cents is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's how we do it with fingers. You hold up 5 on one hand, 3 on another. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here is, this is called a 10 frame. And we just have to have 8 circles in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those 5 go always on the top row. And then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And that makes 8. And this is a domino. And when you see 5 on a domino, it's always going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 on the top, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom. And 3 will always look like this. 1, 2, 3, right down in a diagonal row like that. And when we add 5 and 3 together, that's 8. Now, these are dice. They will look exactly the same. You have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We touch and count each one. And we do that with cubes too. Touch and count each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we also have Unifix cubes, and these stick together, and we have lots of these in the classroom too. And there are 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the number 8. Now, like I said, if we want to write the number 8, it's one circle on top of another one. So let's practice. Make one circle. Just make it the best you can. And put it on top of another bigger circle. And that's the number 8. Now, you'll also need to have your math book handy. Your math book of numbers. So you need your math book. Okay, so remember, you need your math book, scissors. Use your kid scissors. I need adult scissors. Glue stick, and something to color with also. So I've got some crayons here. So turn to the number 8. You should have all the other numbers before that finished. Now the 8 looks just like this. Okay, you see flowers on the page and circle on top of another circle. What I want you to do first is grab something to write with. You also do need that. I have a pen here. Use blue pen so you can see it. And go ahead and trace the number 8. Should look like that when you're finished. And then keep tracing the 8s. You have 4 of them to do. 1, 2 done. Here's number 3. And then do number 4. And it should look something like that. Then on the bottom, go ahead and write the number 8. On the top line, you see one solid line, then a dotted line, then a solid line. So in between the top solid line and the dotted line, make a circle. And then right below it, from the dotted line to the solid line, make another circle. And it should look like that, and that's an 8. Now you can make 4 of them if you'd like, or you can make 6. If you make 6, you can squeeze 3 on each line. Because the more practice you get writing 8s, the better you'll get. So those are 8s. Then get out something to color with. I'm going to use red and color 8 flowers. Now count the flowers. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 flowers, but we only need to color 8. So color in 8 flowers. Remember, don't do all of them because there are 9. So how many less than 9 do we need to do? Well, start coloring and count each one as you color. I have 3 done so far. Then I do the 4th one. And then 5. Then 6. And 7. Almost there. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more is 8. So you're going to color all of them but 1. Leave 1 blank or white. It's white if you don't color it, so it should look something like that. Although you can color any 7 or color any 8 that you like. Now, you'll also need to cut out your number 8 balloon. Remember, it's the 8th. It's circle on top of circle. And put a little glue on the back. Remember, just dot, dot, dot. You don't need a lot. Just enough to make it stick. And then paste it in the empty box where it says paste. So when you're finished, it should look something like that. And you've got your 8s traced. You've got your 8 flowers colored. You've got your 8s down here that you've written. And you've got your 8 balloon pasted where it goes. So I hope that helped you learn about the number 8. I will be back next week with another number lesson and another edition of Monday Math. Bye, guys.